Hello kids, let us study about shapes today. First we will start with circle. This is called as circle. The spelling for circle is C I R C L E, and the color of circle is green. Let us spell the word green. G R E E N. Now we will change the color of the circle to red. Let us spell the word red. R E D. Now the circle color has been changed to yellow. The spelling of yellow is Y E L L O W. Let us now study about square. This is called as square. The spelling of square is S Q U A R E, and the color of square is orange. The spelling of orange is O R A N G E. Let us change the color of square to blue. Now the square is blue in color and the spelling of blue is B L U E. Now the square color is changed to yellow and the spelling of yellow is Y E L L O W. Let us now study about triangle. This is called as triangle. The spelling of triangle is T R I A N G L E, and the color of triangle is green. The spelling of green is G R E E N. Let us change the color of triangle to white. Now the triangle is white in color and the spelling of white is W H I T E. Now the triangle color is changed to some other color. You should be able to tell which color it is. Write your answers in comment section.